Hello everyone! Today, we will listen to a meaningful story about a stonecutter named Takumi and his journey to find happiness. This story will bring us valuable life lessons.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between mountains and the sea, day after day, he diligently cut stones from the mountainside, feeling skilled but unhappy with his life. One hot day, Takumi saw a wealthy merchant pass by in a luxurious carriage, surrounded by servants and treasures. Takumi thought,
"If only I were as wealthy as that merchant, I would be happy."
Unexpectedly, a mysterious voice whispered,
"Your wish shall be granted."
In the blink of an eye, Takumi transformed into a wealthy merchant, living in a luxurious mansion, with servants attending to his needs. At first, he was overjoyed, but soon he realized that the sun's heat still made him uncomfortable. As Takumi pondered his situation, he saw the sun shining brightly and thought,
The sun is more powerful than any merchant. If only I could be the sun, I would be happy.
Once again, the mysterious voice whispered,
"Your wish shall be granted."
and immediately, Takumi became the sun. From high above, Takumi enjoyed warming the earth and controlling the seasons. But he soon found that clouds could block his light and power. Annoyed, he thought,
The clouds are more powerful than the sun. If only I could be a cloud, I would be happy.
The voice agreed. Takumi transformed into a large cloud. As a cloud, Takumi felt mighty, casting shadows below and releasing heavy rain. But one day he noticed a large boulder on the mountainside, unaffected by rain and wind. He thought,
The stone is more powerful than the clouds. If only I could be a stone, I would be happy.
the voice granted his wish once more, and Takumi became a large boulder. Now feeling invincible, Takumi was soon disturbed by the rhythmic tapping of a stonecutter's chisel. The stonecutter was slowly chipping away at the boulder, reducing its size. Takumi realized that even a mighty stone could be shaped by a simple stonecutter.
If only I could be a stonecutter,
He wished.
then I would be happy.
The mysterious voice granted his wish once again, and Takumi returned to being a humble stonecutter. Back in his life, Takumi realized that true happiness did not lie in envying others but in appreciating his own work, life, and abilities.
Through this journey, Takumi learned that happiness does not lie in comparing or envying others, but in appreciating his own work, life, and abilities. Happiness is a state of mind, a way of being. It is something we can find in the simple things of daily life. Thank you for listening to the story of Takumi, the stonecutter. Remember that happiness is within our reach, not in extravagant things or power. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stories. See you in the next video.